Hi, I'm Kay. Thank you so much for joining me for my wig review for this cute pixie called Liana in Walnut R from the Akanu collection from RBS Wig Boutique. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. Before we start, I would like to say a massive thank you to RBS Wig Boutique for sending me this piece so I can review it for you. Go and check them out and see what you think of all the different color options you get and all the other wigs they have in stock. So let's start with the color Walnut R. So it's a rooted color. So I would say it's a medium brown root. And then you have medium browns and lighter browns running through it. It's a really pretty natural color, I would say. It's gorgeous. Very natural. And I will take you outside later so you can see it in the natural light. So let's talk about Liana. Cute pixie with lots and lots of layers. With a side swept fringe, or you can move it. So you have a full fringe. We have slightly longer layers here, which gives it a little bit of an edgy look, I think. Really cute. So let's look at Liana from all sides. The nail is beautifully done. When you move, you don't see the wig cap at all. It's a cutie. If you are after an easy to wear short piece, especially for the summer, look at Liana. I think she is great. So let's look at the lace front. It's a super extended lace front, so it runs all the way around here. So when you want to pull up the fringe, you can do that. It comes down quite a bit, as you can see, so I would trim that back. But the actual lace front for a dark color, really nicely done. You can see some knotting, but it is a darker color. And what I like is that it's not a regular line there. It looks like it's been plugged, which I like. It looks really natural, therefore. Look at this mono top. Really natural again. You don't have what I would call traditional ear tabs, and I will show you the cap in a minute. You have like a V shape here, where you have metal stays in them. But what it does is that it gives you here a really natural look, because you haven't got that wig cap and the ear tabs showing. Really lightweight cap. It is a shorter wig, but I have a longer wig from the same collection, which is the Ryan wig. And it's a very long wig, and it feels weight-wise the same. So the caps are so comfortable, which makes it a joy to wear, really. Straight out of the box, I had to tighten it a little bit. There is only a little bit of gapping in the back, but I do think it would fit circumferences that are bigger than mine. I'm a 21.5-inch circumference, but please always check that with the retailer just to make doubly sure. So let's look at the cap construction. We have a very extended lace front that runs smoothly into a mono top. Everything feels very soft. You have these silicone strips that help to adhere to your head so that the wig feels really secure. You have ear tabs. They're not your traditional ear tabs, so they have metal stays in them here and here, so they mold onto your head here rather than on the temples, which gives this side here a really natural look. So this is the Ryan by RBS Wig Boutique as well, from the Akanu collection, and it's the same cap construction, so you can see no ear tab. So therefore this looks incredibly natural. This is my own bio hair, but look how natural that looks. The lace one does need trimming. Same on Liana. You have some closed covered wefts at the back, extended nape, and you have some bra strap-like adjusters. And here you can see that I have tightened them a little bit for my 21.5-inch circumference. So it's an amazing cap construction, very light, very with complete hair loss in mind. So very comfortable. Fibres are called Cyberhair. Now they are a new invention which makes the hair or the fibre look and feel like human hair. And I think it does. No shine. Cyberhair does require maintenance. They love water. So according to the instructions, you should wash them every 3 to 4 wears. Because they love water and they need water. So it's advisable to add water to them because that's what they need. You can also add heat to get rid of frizz, etc., which personally I don't think will be much of an issue with such a short, cute wig. So let's look at some styling options. So for such a short wig, there are quite a few styling options there for you, which I love. So, and let me take you outside so you can see Walnut R in the natural light. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you again to RBS Wig Boutique for sending me this cute, lovely piece so I can review it for you. So go and check them out. Check out the different colors it comes in. Check out the other styles that they have. I think you will find something that you love. If you haven't done so already, please follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at KOS Wigs. Subscribe and have a lovely day. And I hope I see you soon. Bye.